Hi, scholars. Welcome to week 4. We have officially made it to the halfway point of this session, and I am so excited you're still here and working very hard. I enjoyed engaging with everybody in the week 3 discussion. If you haven't had a chance to post in the week 3 discussion yet, please go back and do that first before you dive into week 4. Here, I'd like to just give a brief overview of what we will be doing this week together. As always, you'll start by reading the lecture, and then you will complete your initial discussion post before Wednesday, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then you will reply to 3 peers before Saturday. You will have a grammar quiz this week. I would encourage you to look back at all of the lectures so far and take notes on them and use them as you take this quiz. You will have 2 attempts, so make sure that you use them both if you'd like to earn a higher score. Lastly, we have a final essay outline. Now, you will remember that you read the final essay directions back in week 2. If you do need a refresher or you didn't save those directions on your computer, you can just go over here on the left-hand side where all these buttons are and just go to course assessments. And then you'll see the final essay directions here. You can open those up and give it a quick review. Now remember that an outline is pre-writing. So this is a time to really get your main ideas and topics in order and just put them on paper to get them out of your head. Now, this essay will be about why getting a college degree will change your life. So you want to pick 3 main points for that. Quickly, we'll just take a look at the outline template that is provided for you here. You will have an introduction paragraph. So you'll want to begin with a hook. This is something that's going to pull your readers in. You'll give broad details about the topic, why getting a college degree will change your life, and then you will provide a thesis statement. Now remember, this is 1 or 2 sentences that just kind of summarizes your 3 main ideas. And the introduction is just a very brief overview to hook your readers and get them interested. And then you will have 3 body paragraphs. Remember that each body paragraph needs its own main idea. So you'll pick 1 reason why a college degree will change your life, and then you'll provide major detail 1, 2, 3, and then a summary sentence of that entire paragraph. You'll do that throughout the body paragraphs. You will have 3 of those. And then you will complete a conclusion, which is just a restatement of your thesis. So your main ideas, use different words to rephrase your thesis and your introduction, just to kind of wrap everything up and remind the readers of all of the main points you discussed in this essay. If you do need help on this assignment, don't hesitate to reach out. I do understand that this is pre-writing, so it doesn't have to be perfect. You're just really getting your ideas on paper out of your head. So you can just start organizing your ideas, and that will help you dive into the final essay. Again, if you do have questions, I'm here to help. All right, have a great week. See you in discussion.